welcome back to the channel. Alright, so we've just wrapped up that first single track. It was a bit washed out, but nothing too crazy. Now on to the next one, and this is where things start to get interesting.
A few moments later.
And there it is. Our first fallen tree of the day. Looks like a quick and easy fix, just a little bit of brute strength and we're through. Honestly, at this point, that wasn't so bad. Yeah, we were about to get a reality check later on that day.
Fucking hell. There's another one down up ahead as well. Look at there. Drive over that.
That out of the way, we hit a nice fast and flowy gravel track. This is what it's all about. Loose surface, a bit of speed and just enough movement to keep things exciting. Perfect stretch to get the adrenaline going before we hit the next off-road section. Now this next part is proper off-road fun. Nice little downhill section, good mix of rocks and ruts, and enough unpredictability to keep you on your toes. Definitely one of those trails where momentum is your best friend. Sometimes we do go the opposite way, as I said in the earlier videos, because it was a lot of rain and we had the snow, we decided to go downhill on a lot of these sections, just because we felt they were going to be washed out. So yeah.
Wanna go first? Go on.
And what better way to close things out than a solid hill climb. Always a satisfying way to end a ride. Bit of throttle, bit of commitment, and up we go. Alright, that's it for this one, but we're not done yet. Next up, more uphill sections and we're straight into the trees. It should be interesting. Stick around for the next ride. It's only going to get better from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.